based on what we've just known, we should be able to say certain things. Okay, we should be able to say certain things. For example, two of these bulbs for sure should be the same brightness. Two of these bulbs for sure should be the same brightness. What are they? So we know at the top of the list we have A. Down here somewhere we have C and E. So let's continue. I'll just leave this on for now. So yeah, I would put D as next. Again, because we have some current coming down this way, and everybody else after D has some fraction of that current. Since all of their resistances are the same, if you have a smaller fraction, then you must have dimmer. Thank you. I'm like, less brightness. Yeah. All right, good. So I think we're doing okay now. So now the question is, when the current comes down through here, do you see that it splits between these two which are in parallel, and then this one, which is in parallel with this whole part? So where's the current bigger? We know that C and E, the current has to be the same, right? Because, careful, because in all parallel circuits, the current's the same? Yeah, only because this is a parallel circuit with identical resistors. That's why the current here and the current here is the same. But the current of B is bigger than the current through C or E. Now the current of B is the same as what? The current through? Okay, true. The current of, well, actually, do we know that? Do we know that the current through B, is the current through B the same as C and E? Well, because C and E combined becomes like, I'm going to do this in green. Let's say that each one of these, right, then this total resistance is R over 2, right? And then this is R. So the resistance down this channel, if I don't know, whatever, like if you say R, C, E, F, that resistance should be 3/2 R, right? So the resistance through this is bigger than the resistance through this. Does that make sense to you? So which one has the bigger current? B. So B should definitely be bigger than C and E. That we just know patently, clearly. Does that make sense? That the current through B is bigger than C and E? Is it unusual or unacceptable? Okay. So we can put B here. Know that the current, because we also know that the current through B is bigger than the current through F. Now, the question is the current through F bigger than the current through C and E? Do you see that it is? Because the current through C and the current through E comes together to go through F, right? So then F must be here in brightness. And so C and E are picking up the back of the pack.